Hi guys and dolls, and this is another quick video regarding what I'm going to be making in this day of lockdown. I'm kind of going on the trend of other things that is happening right now. It's getting quite popular. It's called the whipped coffee, and I just love it. So all you need is coffee. I'm using decaf because I'm not really meant to be drinking caffeine, so I love my coffee, so therefore I am trying it with decaf. It works just as well. I like my coffee strong, so I have done like 2 or 3 scoops of coffee. Then you need some sugar, about equal amounts or so. But if you like your coffee stronger than sweet, then just put less sugar in. Simple, hey? And then just add some water. Bear in mind this kettle is cold. I haven't boiled it, I just needed some water. Just add a little bit. And then you whisk. And basically you whisk and whisk and whisk. It's pretty amazing actually of how well it whisks up. And you're just whisking like that. Wanting it where it forms thick peaks, and then this is basically a cold version, like an iced coffee really, but I think you can make it warm using hot milk and hot ingredients rather than cold, but it's basically an upside down version of an iced coffee. It goes creamy like that. It's so nice. You want it thick. There we are. And then you just get your milk. Of course, this is my almond milk. Oh no, soya, sorry. I have some soy milk today. And I'm just filling up my glass. I love it in a glass just because you get to see it. It looks so nice. And then you just spoon it in. And the coffee just blends in. It's sweet, it's strong coffee, it's smooth. I normally have it with almond milk, and it has like a nutty flavour with my coffee. It's just to die for. It's a perfect drink to make because you've got time to make it in this lockdown. It makes you feel happy because it's aesthetically pleasing as well. I've just kind of joined the bandwagon to make it actually as well. You meant to make a lot more of this, but I just did it whilst showing you. So as much as you like. And I've made it a couple of days before sometimes, and I put it in the fridge so it lasts a little bit longer. And just so nice. And it's just like you have your contrasting colours, and then I like to put another straw in it and it will infuse the coffee and the milk together, and it's just to die for. So if you haven't tried it already, I would totally recommend it. Yeah, just really good. This is a whipped coffee, but I have used alternative milk. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will keep you posted in my next video. See you soon. Bye.